May scissor ito, ma'am. Oh. Ano ba yan? Binili? Saan pa in-order, nak? Ha? Saan?
Saan? Wala.
Ano ba yan, nak? Makain yan?
Yes, it's food.
Ano yan?
Pagkain mo. Sure isda.
Pagkain ng isda.
Ayan isda. So this will be your food.
Explain mo nga kung ano yan. Explain mo kung ano in-order mo.
No, bro.
Plus 200. Explain mo what is that. What's the use of that product? Please.
It's fish. Safe start.
Safe start.
Removes chlorine in the fish.
Remove chlorine from the water tap. Okay.
What are you trying to do?
Yan po guys. Ano po to? Pang patak po to doon sa kanyang koi fish. Sa tubig ng koi fish para mawala yung chlorine from the water tap. Siya nag-order nito sa Lazada for only 199. Yeah, it's only 199. Ilang liter na ba to?
1 liter.
It's only 1 liter, Macy?
This is right there.
Where is it? Yeah, it's 1 liter. Yeah. 199 plus 40 pesos na shipping fee. Yan. Matagal rin itong gamit niya kasi tuwing nagpapalit ng water, every 3 days, nagpapalit siya ng water sa kanyang water tank. Then, sa kanyang fish tank, papatakan niya. Ilang drops nak ng ganito? Ilang cup? Ilang cup ang nilalagay mo doon?
Like 20 milliliters.
20 milligram?
20 milliliters.
20 milliliters. Tuwing palit mo ng tubig.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Stop videoing.
So, yan guys. Nandiyan na ha. Ayan. Safe start 2-in-1. Okay. Tingnan mo yung expiration.
I don't know what is
It
it.
there. Oh, it says there.
Hold on.
Manufactured 2024. So, 2024 ba naman siya ginawa? Ngayon lang. This year lang.
Oh, and its shelf life is 2
The shelf life is 24 months. So,
2 years.
2 years. 2 years. So, 2 years pa naman. Usually, ganyan naman talaga. Okay, thank you for watching sa aming pag-unboxing. Bye!